Hi there. Have you ever wanted to create stunning terrains or rippling water effect in Blender? What if I told you there is a magic tool that can transform a simple plane into a breathtaking landscape? It's called the Displace Modifier, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock its power to elevate your Blender creation like never before. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned Blender artist, this tutorial will teach you not only how to use the Displace Modifier but also how to bring the life to your scene. Stick around because the techniques I am about to show you might just change the way you use Blender forever. So let's start by deleting this cube. Just select this cube and hit delete key. Now I want to elaborate one of example, that is mountain landscape making using displace modifier. So for that let's create a base. Press shift A to add plane. Go to the mesh, add plane, scale it on 10 times, scale and press 10. Now add some geometry here into the mesh. Go to the edit mode and right click subdivide. Go to the subdivide drop down menu, make it 50. So go to the object mode, and now it's time to add displace modifier. For adding displacement modifier with the selected this mesh, go to the wrench icon, add modifier, and locate here displace modifier in the deform list. Select this displace modifier and now set this value in 0.5. So you just place your mesh. Nothing happened because displacement modifier work with the combination of some textures. It shows some texture that you want to apply on your mesh. It only shows these textures. So for creating texture, press this new button, or you want to this icon and create new from here. If both are same, if you here you just click this and click on this icon to jump here. So this is, you can see, you can rename it like mountain. Now go to the type and select cloud from here. Now you can see it instantly transform into mountains. Like this is not like looking like smooth, just shade it smooth, and now you can see it not giving us a smooth texture. For this go to the modify tab and add subdivision. You can get better result with the combination of some additional modifiers like bevel subdivision. You just increase to get more better result. You can see, okay, you can see here this is looking like mountain. Also you can adjust this values, play with these values to get desired result. If you looking like these are more mountains, so you go to the just texture and resize it, and here you can decrease it, and you find here changes. Now you can see this is, and you can change depth of these. Okay, go to the modify tab and play with these settings. Keep it on 0.5, and now you can just create a ground like grassy ground or mountains. Let's keep it more like this is this. Okay, and keep it on this. Go to the modify tab and adjust these values according to you to get your desired result. Okay, let's apply some material on it that is looking like go to the materials tab, press add new, play with these settings to get result. Okay, you can see looking good. Add metallic here, decrease roughness. Now you can see looking like actually this is just to uh, elaborate this modifier, displace modifier, what we can get better for this using of this modifier. So this is for what actually this tutorial not for only mountain creating. I just want to show you how this work. Okay, this is our mountains. Okay, let's hide this and add new collection. Select. Now I want to elaborate how to create water, waving water. So press Shift A to add base mesh, plane. Press S on 10. Okay, go to the edit mode, add geometry here, get it on 50. Okay, go to the object mode and now apply the displace modifier. Select, go to the wrench icon, add modifier, displace modifier. Keep it on 0.5 to get on word origin. Now create texture. Okay, this time I want to create from here. Add. I want to Musgrave. Now set this. Okay, I think this is better. Dimensions. Adjust according to your result. Okay, now go to the modify tab. From now you can click on this icon to select one mountain that we create, and now here that we create now for water. Select this and you can see its behavior. You can increase or decrease its strength and go to object mode. Okay, this is okay actually. Okay, go to the materials tab, add material on it. Go to the material property tab, add material, select this base color, metallic, roughness, and now I think increase roughness on, shaded smooth. You can see this is not more smooth. Add subdivision surface here. Okay, keep it on. Three. So you can see this is looking good. If you want to animate like wave, add empty, Shift A, empty plane, and where is our empty? This is our empty. So go to the selected this one object, select the empty object. Adjust this value according to your result. Okay, let's make it on this. So go to the first frame, select this empty and add a location keyframe and go to the 50 frame and grab it on Z-axis or X-axis. You can see if we make it on here on X and Z, add location, it looking like a traveling water. Keep and frame on 50. Now you can see, make this interpolation linear, so you can see this is looking like a traveling water. You decrease the speed of water flowing like that. Okay, now so this is our modifier, displacement modifier. You can set the direction of your texture you want, add coordinates, local coordinate, global object, UV. You can use UV if you want anyone from them. Just comment below. I will record next video according to your comments. So there you have it, two incredible ways to use the displace modifier in Blender, from crafting jaw-dropping landscape to animating water. This tool is a game changer for any 3D artist. But this is just a beginning. What if I told you there are hidden tricks and advanced uses for the displacement modifier that can transform your animation even further? Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another mind-blowing Blender tutorial. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and drop comment below about what you plan to create with the displacement modifier. I'd love to hear your idea.